Hey guys, in today's video I am going to go over the SMA versus EMA calculator here, or spreadsheet that recently developed here. This is pretty much what is SMA versus EMA. SMA is the simple moving average and EMA is the exponential moving average, are used to smooth out price data, but they are different in how they weight the data. SMA gives you equal weight to all price points within the chosen period, while the EMA gives you more weight to recent price, making it more responsive to recent changes. So with this here, it's a pretty much a spreadsheet I created to help me choose what stock or when to jump in to buy or sell. It's pretty simple, easy to use here. For example, here I have a KO as in Coke, and I have all the information. The blue box here you can see is pretty much where you download or the date and the closing price. You just add it into that area and it will generate that chart for you. And then the neat thing about this is you can add open price. If you want to look at open price, you can do high, low, closing price, and even volume, and the calculators, the chart spreadsheet will actually generate that information for you. So let's give you an example here. Me delete this here, the price of Coke, and let's go to NASDAQ here. You click on that and it takes you straight to NASDAQ, and we're going to type in the ticker symbol KO. Okay, so that once it brought up here, oh, I got the wrong box here, guys, sorry about that. KO. Okay, look up KO here, and voila, and that's your information right there. And we're gonna click on historic quotes. Once you get that, you click the 5 year and you just download the information here, the historic data. So I have that already here, and once you download it, you can open it in Excel, and then let me see here. You just take the information, you just copy the date and close. Again, you can do volume, high, low, or in this case, we're just gonna do price here. So let's see, go back here, and you just paste it in there, and voila, you see that, how simple that is, how easy that is to do. Once you have that, you can display in source range from 3 month, 6 month, year, goes up to 5 years and max. See, and pretty neat. And with this here, you can do, you see 5 day source range, 5 day max. Now jumping over to this, you have up to four SMA versus EMA that you can generate. And once you do that, you can go to the dashboard and you can compare the tickers. What you see is see what the information you have in front of you is time to buy or sell. So here you can change also the source range. You can see that just by a click of scroll button here. And let's see NVIDIA here. You can see how it jumps in, it changes, and let's look at. But here you can see the green, of course, it's all color coded here for you, volume here. And then you got your 25M SMA, you got your 50 SMA here. And then your EMA and 25 EMA and 50 EMA. And now here you can change all this to your SMA range, change your preference, your W weight, here 50, you see how that changes. You do 10, 15, 40. So it's pretty neat, real easy to use. Once you just click on your SMA range, it changes. Now this is equal to that to make it simple, but you can also change this if you want. If you want to override the formula, you can. Let's see, for example, we did 15. You can see how it changes too, but it's better if you have it the same, so you can see your EMA and your SMA, right? The difference. Again, you know, the SMA calculates the average of a stock closing price over a specific period, typically a certain number of days. And then you have your weight, and all prices within the period are given equal weight, right? The weight here, regardless how old they are. And this shows you how it responds to price changes. You know, SMA tends to be a little bit slower to react to price changes than compared to the EMA. Let me jump back here so you guys can see. Yeah, as you can see, EMA it responds a little bit slow, but because they give you equal weight to all price in the period, right? And then here is the calculation. I'm showing how this is all calculated with the formulas on your left. And you click on here, you can see the formula. And again, it does everything for you. Like you put 10 days. See how that automatic calculates 10 days, the 10-day SMA. You do 50, and it calculates 50 MA for you. Again, easy, simple to use, but it's just you know, something that to help you make your financial decision when you know to buy, sell, and jump in. Other than that, guys, this is just a quick just a quick review, and this is a valuable link below if you're interested in further review. Till next time, guys, till next finance video, take care. Bye now.